इतिहास यूं ही नहीं बनता है जब तक आप में कुछ करने की क्षमता ना हो, आपके विचारों में पवित्रता ना हो। ऐसा ही एक इतिहास बनाया है इंदौर की बेटी सारा लुड़ावत ने, जिसने ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की सबसे युवा सचिव होने का गौरव प्राप्त किया है। सारा भारत की पहली बिटिया है जिसने ये इतिहास बनाया है। इस पूरे चुनाव की विशेषता यही रही कि सारा लुड़ावत को अध्यक्ष से भी ज्यादा वोट मिले हैं, जिससे उसकी लोकप्रियता का अंदाजा लगाया जा सकता है। सारा की भाषा शैली कमाल की है। उनके द्वारा ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में दिए गए भाषण की एक झलक आपको दिखाते हैं।
So I would like to begin now. Let's begin by considering the fact that our speaker one very clearly highlighted a policy model. We did not say that the collegium system is bad, so let's end all, let's have anarchy, let's have chaos. No, we gave you a policy model. We gave you the option to continue something further, something that could be better than the collegium system. If we consider all of the speakers here today, speaker 2 very clearly just summarized their entire speech as, we know this is bad, but this is all we have. But to quote Ma'am Avni again, क्या सवाल करना उचित नहीं है? If we are here today in a world where we are the largest growing democracy, is it not our right to question? Is it not our right to evolve? Is it not our right to continue a system that could be better? Let's move on to some of the things Speaker 1 said. So you said that there cannot be neutral decision makers. Ladies and gentlemen of the House, let me help you understand what a myopic blindfold they have put on you. They have told us that what do we have? We have the executive, the iron-fisted executive. We have the judiciary, who is the beacon of hope. They have no biases apparently. And then we have laymen like you and I. That's all there is. What about the very active judiciary that exists outside the active judges in our court? Do we not have retired judges? Do we not have legal inspirers? Do we not have people who could be better choices than laymen like Sir says, like you and I? So I think it is very necessary to question that it is not just 3 stakeholders. We are India, we have countless stakeholders. So let's consider that again and again and again before you take a decision here today. A 2015 study found that 33% of Supreme Court judges, 1 in every 3, is somebody's son, somebody's son-in-law, somebody's daughter-in-law. Is that the Supreme Court we want tomorrow? The situation is even worse in the High Court. Frankly, 1 in every 2 judges in the High Court, and I said, I quote, are from the higher echelons of the judicial families. 0.02% Chief Justices today were women. To put that into context, it's easier for me to get into IIT Bombay electrical engineering than be a woman who will become a Chief Justice tomorrow. Is that the kind of world we want to live in today? Let's understand demographics again. We talked about these 260 judges. Less than 10 of them were from the Northeast. Because this is a very real consequence of what the opposition is trying to purport. They are not going on blind faith, they are going on sheer ignorance. Because ladies and gentlemen of the House, I would like to ask you very practically. Somebody who has been born and brought up in central India only knows the few handful of people they have worked with. Can they be the best judge of every applicant in this country, of every corner of that world? Can somebody who's been born and brought up in Mumbai or Allahabad, can they know the socio-economic background of a Manipuri judge? Can they understand the ethics and integrity of a Ladakhi judge? This is what we are here to question. Because ladies and gentlemen of the House, the collegium is not the best we have. Critiques have been ongoing every single day. We know it's opaque, we know it's not transparent, we know that something better should come tomorrow. We hope for a tomorrow where there is less bias, less nepotism, more women, more Northeastern judges, more SC, more ST, more representation, or an opposition that says that this is the best we have and let's shake hands with the fate we have been given. I would like to remind you all again, we are Indians, we are born from a colonial legacy. We know how to fight. So why should we stop today? थैंक यू।
बहरहाल इंदौर के उद्योगपति और पत्रकारिता के क्षेत्र में एक अलग पहचान बनाने वाले संजय लुड़ावत की बिटिया सारा लुड़ावत ने परिवार, शहर और देश का नाम रोशन किया है। सारा का अचीवमेंट काबिले तारीफ है।